This cough will keep you up at night, worrying about them and whether you can afford the health care they need. MJ Hagar's tough enough to take on the drug and insurance companies who put their profits ahead of us. Hagar's fighting to expand affordable health care, protect coverage for pre-existing conditions, and protect Medicare. MJ Hagar, for Texas, for us. Women Vote is responsible for the content of this ad.